Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all doing great. And today we are going to talk about the Odoo and the product. Product like if inside the Odoo we give some product or like we establish some product, like we put some product, then what kind of information we can get? What kind of information we can put? This thing we can get understanding about. The second thing we will get the understanding about the entire picture, entire the bird's eye view of the owner. And I am always believing in on the connecting the dots theory. So connecting with the different apps is like a great mechanism, great metaphor of this theory, which is connecting the dots. So we have to solve a lot of issues. We have to solve a lot of problems. We have to immerse ourselves into the different mechanism which can resolve the issues, resolve the problems of the industry level. So let's talk about the Odoo. Let me share my entire screen so you can see entire picture. So let me share my entire screen. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go into the Google and type odoo.com. We will see multiple things. Look, this is odoo.com. Odoo.com. Inside the Odoo.com, we can see this app. And if we just open it by using the start at free, like if we see that in a get started, it's free. So we can use anything. But if we want to practice it, there is one another platform. It's like uh, inside the Odoo, if you can see, just 1 minute, I will show certain things. Like if you can see that, like you can choose any of the apps. One app is free, and multiple app is you can select the one app. Like let's say you selected the website and you continued it. But as long as you type the second app, and if the second app is not connected, then what actually happen is the what actually happen is like you have to go for the premium or only you get the 15-day of the trial. But if you are a student, I will suggest you one to do one more thing, which is here you can give your information and you can start now. So the website is launched and you can change the language from here, which is English. Okay, it's a pending activation. It says that there is a pending activation. Let's do it. Ready to build. And they ask for then they ask for the which type of website, which type of module you specifically want, and you can make the website very easily. Like I want a business website for which, like let's take the brand like clothes. Let's say we want to make a accounting. We work on an accounting website with the main objective to get leads. No, 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 no. Inform customers, and then here we can choose the color palette, and then we can give every services. We don't need to include every services, but here we wanted to understand, make you understand that how much that is capable. So I will include some of it. You can include everything, and boom, we can build the website. Now we have to choose the color palette. Let's say I select from here, and yeah, the website is booming. Website is working good in a condition. So you can see my. I will hide my video so you can understand. Applying for the colors, like adding features. There are multiple features are added here on the website. You can see on the left hand side. So like on the left hand side, you can see it. You can see here. So it is the processing. Till now, it is processing. I will show you one more thing. So if you want to learn Odoo, if you are a student and you just want to learn an Odoo, you are not having any business related stuff. Like and you just want to connect the dots, you just want to learn, then what you have to do is like you have to type Odoo run both. Odoo run board, and inside the Odoo run board, you can explore the multiple stuffs like you can start Odoo 18, you can explore Odoo 18, or you can Odoo 17 and all this stuff. Then you have to just sign in already. Here with the help of Runbot, you can do a lot of stuff. Now the Odoo is okay. Odoo is open. Now let's go into the orders. Like let me type the sales here. So yeah, and here the product. So here the product. Multiple products are available. There is a multiple products are available. You can see that. You can check it in a list format. You can check it in a activities assigned to it. So Office Lab has certain activities. There you can add any activity type we can decide and schedule it for certain space, like we schedule it for the 10:29. So in this way we can schedule it, and we go again for the sales purpose. Let's go to the sales again. And inside the sales module, we will see the product. Here the quotation is given by default. We go into the product and we will understand the product. If we choose any of the product, actually like cabinet and doors, we get multiple information open. Like let's say sales, purchase, expenses, point of sale, subscription, and rental. Here the name of the product is given. It's a product name which is cabinet with door. And inside before that, like you can here use the sales, purchase, expense, point of sales. What is this? Means what it basically is like you want to associate this product to which particular app. Like if you associate with the sales, if the purchase of if the product's basic vision, product's basic prospective use is to selling it, then like if you want to sell the cabinet and doors, then you need to check it the sales. If you want to purchase it, if you in your company, like your work is the purchasing and selling of the cabinet and doors. You have to purchase the cabinet and door and sell the cabinet. You have to note the expenses. Here we are not giving the expenses because expenses is given to the field like the service is also product like teaching services. Like okay, so in for an employee, if employee go to the one market to the another, if employee goes to the let's say the traveling expense of the employee, let's say the food expense of the employee. If a company is providing tea, coffee, then there's a second type of expense of the end. So if other than the selling and purchases services, and other than the salary, if expenses are added, then also we have to understand it. Then point of sale. If we want to give the discount on it to it, or we want to give certain things. If we want to make these things like then so already essential. Then the subscription model, recurring payments basically. Like if your product has a like let's say software, it has a recurring payments. Like every month, as long as you use it, you have to pay to it. And this is a subscription models. If we open it, then the recurring models will be open. Like, let's say go into the subscription. You cannot change the recurring property of this product because it's been sold already. Just because it's sold, you can make it rental as well. Here the product type, goods, services, and combo. Goods, it's a basically stockable product. Like if the goods is open, the inventory module is connected with it. Otherwise, the inventory is not checked. Like here you can say the general information, like product type, then invoicing policy, then the track inventory, valuation for lots and serial, lot of things. Sales price of it, what is the sales price? Sales text, if we can want to add, if we can add cost, purchase text, category, all this stuff. Then attributes and variant, if you see about it, we can add the attributes. So which type of attributes can be? Like, let's say I will add the color, and I want to make a green table. Yeah. Then I want to make a multiple variants, like where you can give the green, then gray, then wood, multiple colors of the table can be possible. Here we want to add the second type of thing, like let's say we want to add different attributes like weight, then weight type of thing, like you can type like 1 kg, 1 kg weight can be possible. You can type it here, 1 kg, yeah. So you can add multiple line, then you can product configure and all grid entry, all this stuff you can do. Sales, then the optional product, accessory product. This is what we have to understand. You can connect it with the website, all this stuff. Purchase, go to corner from the vendor, from which vendor you are purchasing, which level of quantity, what is the price and what is the currency. You can, if you want more field to add, you can add from here, from this right hand side button. Then inventory, doorship, subcontractor, order, buy, manufacturing, this all this stuff. And accountant. So in this way, you can understand the product. Let's go into this. Hopefully the website is made. Okay, website is made. You can see the entire accounting website is made. So it's good. And multiple sections. You can add logo from here. You can type home, events, related information. No, I want to schedule the shop, the services, to the pricing. So this is the basic capacity of the Odoo, and you have to definitely try it. Uh, that's all from my side. That's all from my side. Thank you so much all for giving me this great level of support. Your support is helping me a lot. Uh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.